this is why you need a dash cam. I want to thank FitCam for sending me this for review. And this is the reason why. Look at that. It completely cuts me off. And wow. Anyway, let's get to the review. We got our first sponsor for 2024, but it took a while for the package to get to the house because, you know, it's coming straight from China. So they would ship it from China to one of their distribution center in the US, wherever it's closer to my area per se. And then when it gets there, then it came here. It took a while for me to get the package, but we did get it. So this is just the unboxing. The fit cams fit pretty nice. Honestly, it just looks like OEM. So it would install right here where your camera is. So it makes it seem like it's OEM, which is cool. This is the first dash cam that I'm gonna showcase on here. If I could do this one-handed. Oh, you know what? Hold on a second. So we couldn't do it one-handed. We needed assistance over here from the other hand. So this is gonna be like your accessories, you know. And then this is where the dash cam is. And then you have user manual. And I've seen some videos about the installment, and it seems pretty easy. Seems pretty easy and straightforward. Oh, geez. I should have just mounted this. So here it goes. And it's 4K Ultra. Don't mind that beeping sound. That's just my my scan tool. So here it is. So your SD card goes right here, and it comes with an SD card. So that's cool, right? Let me see. Yep, it does. Shout out. It comes with an SD card. Most of them require for you to get your own. So it comes with a 64 gig. There you go. So that's cool. So we're gonna install it. It looks very simple to install it. You just pop out these lights right here. Well, at least for my vehicle, I have a 2018 Civic Type R. So this actually moves to the side. You take that out, and then you take this one out, and then there's two screws right here. So once you take the two screws out, this comes down a little bit, and then you could install it right here. And it's gonna be coming out from right here. The cord goes in there, so it's hardwired, which is cool. Most dash cams, it requires you to use your auxiliary, I guess, for the cigarette lighter. But anyway, so let's get to it, right?
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality.
This is just me parked in the parking lot, and as you guys can see, the right license plate reader, it's difficult for me to read from this distance, and you know, I cannot tell what the license plate is for the Tesla. Honestly, it just looks like a 9. I'm not sure, honestly. So, you know, with this review, I try to be as honest as I can, to be impartial, even though this is a sponsored product that was given to me to review. So I'm gonna give you my honest opinion of the whole thing. I'm not gonna recommend something that's not gonna work for you. But let's go look at some nighttime driving, and you can see for yourself whether this is for you or not. And another thing, I'm recording at 1440. This can record up to 4K. It's really up to you. It'll just eat up a lot of your space when you're recording in 4K. So here's some night driving, and as you can see, it's literally impossible for me to see any of the vehicles on the side's license plate. It's hard for me to see it, and that's just me being honest. Like this truck, I cannot see what his license plate says. Any of it, I can't see any of it. Just like the truck on the right and the vehicle in front of me, unless I get extremely close, and that would be illegal because then I would be riding their bumper. But when you come up to like a stop sign or a red light, then you can see the license plate pretty clear as day. But when you're driving at night, it's very difficult for the dash cam to capture that license plate, as you guys can see for yourself here in the video. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to show you the app. The app, to me, it's self-explanatory. It's pretty easy to use. There's a couple of options that you can toggle and change things around. I didn't have any problem navigating through the application at all. It's super simple, easy to download as well. But let's go on to the app. So as you can see, we are on the application. As you can see, you know, this is a screen record. And when you're on the app, you can actually see a live view of pretty much, you know, what the camera is looking at. And then at the bottom right corner, you do have your settings, and we go into the settings. So you have different options there. So I do have parking guard on, parking monitor, motion detections, etc. And then you can format your SD, and then you can also change the loop recording directions. You can do 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. You can do the different video resolution, whether you want 2560 by 1440. That's the one I have it on. And then you could do up to 4K. Photo resolution, I think 12 is the highest. And for me, I think for mine, I turned the sound recording off. I should have turned it on, but you know, it is what it is. And then you can change the exposure compensation. I think that's what I should do. I should reduce the amount of light that's going through the dash cam in order to see a little bit more clear at night, because it's just too blurry for me to see any of the license plate. And yeah, so let me know what you guys' thoughts on the review is. As always, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and I will leave a link in the description for the dash cam if you want to get one for yourself. Overall, it's a solid product. I would buy it myself, honestly. It's because just the way that it installs in the vehicle just fits OEM, and they have different variations, different kind of vehicles and models that are available for you to purchase, and different price range as well too. So anyways, I definitely recommend it. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are.